All right, with this project, you are going to get a container of contact solution, some baking soda, and 5 ounces of a whole bottle of this glow-in-the-dark glue is what you're going to put in there. Putting this in here was a little time consuming, so I've done it ahead of time just so that it's sitting right there. So we'll move this out of here. And basically all you do is you take your baking soda and you dump it in there and you stir. This is super easy to make. It's a little messy at first, and sometimes kids will get a little weirded out by the consistency, but after a very short time it will be fine. So I mix that in there, and then we don't use all of the solution. You can always add more, but you use most of it. So I'm just gonna eyeball it and leave some of it out there. And then you'll notice once you start stirring that it immediately starts to form an odd consistency. And you'll also notice that stirring after a short amount of time becomes difficult, or it doesn't serve the purpose. So at some point you just really need to get in there and start mixing it with your hands. So what I am going to do is just start doing that. So here we go. Set that aside, and I'm just going to pick it up. Again, the consistency is very odd, but I'm just going to work it with my hands until it gets through that phase. I've seen people put this in a little plastic bag so that the kids don't have to get their hands dirty, but I think that's half the fun. So it's going to start turning into a good consistency here in a short amount of time. There's lots of different slime recipes out there, but this one is probably the easiest one that I've ever seen. Alright, so here we go. At some point you swear that it's never going to get to the slime consistency, but it's already starting to show signs. As you can see, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the bowl out of the way and the rest of my contact solution. A couple things to remember. I'm going to pause this and take this outside so that you can see how it glows in the dark. So I'm going to take it outside and let the sun hit it for a minute or two, and then it's kind of amazing how much it glows in the dark. A couple things to remember. Just keep an eye on that contact solution because it's not water, so make sure that there's somebody watching things. And also do not put this down the drain. Do not put it down the drain. Alright, so I'm going to pause it. I'm going to come back in when it glows in the dark. So here is what it looks like after just holding it in the sunlight for just not even a minute. It's kind of incredible. And this room isn't super dark, so I can't imagine if it was pitch black. I think the kids would really enjoy this. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the craft. You can do a little research and find your own recipes and see what else you can make. There's lots of them out there. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Take care.